How to add a PIN code on Olymp Trade. Are you using Olymp Trade and want to add an extra layer of security to your account? Then, adding a PIN code ensures that even if someone gets access to your phone or account, they cannot perform trades or access sensitive settings. So in order to add a PIN, launch open the Olymp Trade application on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. After you're inside the home page of Olymp Trade, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top left corner. Once you're inside your profile page, click on Settings at the bottom, and inside the Settings menu, click on App PIN. Now, create a new PIN you would like to set. Confirm your new PIN by re-entering it again. If you want to allow Olymp Trade to use Face ID on your iOS device, click on Allow, and you have successfully enabled or added a PIN on Olymp Trade. Now you will be able to log in with a PIN or Face ID when opening up the app or performing sensitive actions. That is how it's super easily done. You can also disable the PIN whenever you want. If you want to learn that too, make sure to comment down in the comment section below. I will come back with another tutorial on it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.